In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove errors in Google Sheets using the if error function. Whether you're dealing with a simple table or a complex dataset, encountering errors in Google Sheets can often disrupt your workflow and the accuracy of your results. With the if error function, you can take control and ensure that your data looks clean and professional. First, let's begin by opening a Google Sheet where you have your data. If you don't have one opened already, navigate to Google Sheets in your browser and access your file. Once you're in your spreadsheet, locate the cell J3. This is where we'll start entering our formula to check for errors. In cell J3, you'll begin by typing the formula. Equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis I3, comma $, a $, 2 to $, C $, 4 comma, 2 comma, false close parenthesis. This formula uses VLOOKUP to search for a value in a specific range, but sometimes data isn't always complete or error-free, so let's see how we can handle any issues that might come up. After you've entered that formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. This action runs your formula and will return a value if available. Now you want to apply this formula down the column. Google Sheets provides a handy autofill feature to help with this. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell J3 until a small square appears. This is known as the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down your column to apply the formula to all necessary rows. Alternatively, you can double-click the fill handle, and it will autofill down as far as there is corresponding data in the adjacent column I. Once the formulas are in place, let's address potential errors by leveraging the if error function. Proceed to cell K3, and this time, type equals if error, open parenthesis, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, I3, comma $, a $, 2 to $, C $, 4, comma 2, comma, false, close parenthesis, comma, open quotes. Search value not found, close quotes. Close parenthesis. What this does is it first tries the VLOOKUP formula, but if an error occurs, instead of showing an error message, it will display search value not found instead. Again, hit the Enter key to confirm this formula. You'll notice that if there were any errors in your data, they're now replaced with the text you specified. To complete this step for other data points, use the autofill functionality as before. This trick is incredibly useful when preparing data for reports or sharing with others who may not need to see error codes. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to effectively manage errors in Google Sheets using the if error function. Feel free to experiment with other text or calculations in the if error section to tailor results specific to your needs. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your future data wrangling in Google Sheets.